Good morning, dear students. Lecture number 10, Semiconductor Devices. Today we are going to study a special device, solar cell or photovoltaic cell. What is solar cell? In solar cell, solar energy is converted into electrical energy. Construction of solar cell. It consists of p-n junction. The N side of a junction faces solar radiation and which is thin in layer. See in this diagram, P side is thick and which is the base of solar cell. Both are coated with conducting material. N side of solar cell is coated with anti-reflecting material which allow the visible light to pass through it, but the main function of this coating is to reflect heat radiation and protect the solar cell from heat. There are two electrical contact of solar cell. N side is front contact and P side is back contact as shown in the figure. Now we will discuss about the working of solar cell. Solar cell work in a zero biased condition, means not need to external biasing. Biasing means not need to connect external battery. मुलींनो, ज्याप्रमाणे आपण इथर डायोडला एक्सटर्नल बायसिंग प्रोव्हाइड करतो तसं सोलार सेलला बायसिंग करण्याची आवश्यकता नाही. सो आय रिपीट वन्स अगेन, इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. सोलार सेल वर्क इन ए झिरो बायस्ड कंडिशन. N side of a solar cell is thin so that light incident on it reaches the depletion region where electron hole pairs are generated. When light with photon energy greater than band gap incident on solar cell, electron hole pairs formed in depletion region. Then electron and holes are separated and collected at the cathode and anode respectively. म्हणजेच जे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आणि होल्स तिथे जनरेट होणार आहेत ते आधी सेपरेट केले जातात आणि कलेक्ट केले जातात या इलेक्ट्रोड. द कॅरियर्स आर ॲक्युमुलेटेड अँड जनरेट ए व्होल्टेज अक्रॉस द सोलार सेल. दॅट मीन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन आणि होल्स हे जे कॅरियर तिथे जमा होणार आहेत त्याच्यामुळेच सोलार सेलच्या ॲक्रॉस एक व्होल्टेज जनरेट होतं. Therefore, the power produced is utilized in load resistance or in a circuit which is connected across the solar cell. सोलार सेलमध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन आणि होल पेअर्स जे जनरेट होतात ते आधी सेपरेट केले जातात आणि सेपरेट झालेले इलेक्ट्रॉन आणि होल्स हे वेगवेगळ्या इलेक्ट्रोडवर म्हणजेच कॅथोड आणि ॲनोडवर कलेक्ट केले जातात. ह्या कलेक्शनमुळे तिथे सोलार सेलच्या ॲक्रॉस एक व्होल्टेज जनरेट होतं. आता व्होल्टेज आणि करंटमुळे तिथे पॉवर जनरेट होतं. So this is the working of a solar cell. Electron and hole pairs are separated and collected by the electrode. Therefore, power is generated across the solar cell. Write this working of a solar cell in your notebook. Now we will discuss about IV characteristic of solar cell. IV characteristic of a solar cell as shown in the figure. So this is the graph or variation between solar current and voltage. IV characteristic graph lies in a fourth quadrant. On a graph there are the two important points. Now we have to discuss about it. First is short circuit current. See in the graph the intersection of curve with current axis is the short circuit current, and which is indicated by ISC notation, which is corresponding to a given light intensity. The intersection of curve with voltage axis is open circuit voltage as shown in the figure. Student, the most important point is power delivered to load is 0 when load is open. Here, PL is the maximum power delivered to load, and which is the product of open circuit voltage and short circuit current. Advantages of solar cell. Solar cells are non-polluting, they are last longer, they require the less maintenance. So these are the advantages. Disadvantages of a solar cell. They have the higher cost for installation. Also, they are low in efficiency. Uses of solar cell. Solar cells are mostly used in power supply, just like a power supply in traffic signals. Also used in remote places for supplying the power to various electronic equipment, from calculator to satellite also. In space station also solar cell is used. Solar cell also used for charging the batteries. So this is all about the solar cell. In next lecture we will discuss about LED, light emitting diode. Thank you.